everyone, my name is June Immanuel from Kamla Nichketan Montessori School. When India was under the British rule, these were first made laws by the British who were formed in our land. Through a long struggle, India became independent on August 15, 1947. Then we created our own government. We became an independent country. We need our own constitution after modern constitution. After more than 2 years of hard work, the Constitution of India was ready. It came into force on January 26, 1950. We celebrated this day every year as Republic Day. On Republic Day, the national flag is hoisted in every government and non-government, such as school and office. The grandest celebration is held in the national capital. It showcased the country's rich heritage and the country progress. The national parade is conducted and watched all over the country. Thank you. Wish you all the happy Republic Day. Jai Hind.